Every journey begins where nature and patience meet. Timing is everything when harvest defines quality. Experience guides each precise movement. A single cut releases months of growth. Care protects texture, color, and strength. Harvest moves by human rhythm. Order begins even before machines appear. Efficiency reduces damage and delay. Quality is judged at the source. Temperature control begins immediately. The factory calls from afar. Logistics meet harvest. Every transfer matters.
Protection continues in transit.
Harvest leaves the land, entering the supply chain. Speed now balances freshness. Here, agriculture meets engineering. Flow replaces transport. Boundaries are crossed without stopping. The controlled environment begins. Gravity and guidance work together.
Human oversight never leaves.
Every step has a destination. Cleanliness is built into the floor. Safety defines movement. Timing is calibrated. Data governs motion. The line advances. Preparation lies ahead. Water signals transformation.
Cleansing is the first conversion.
The process is fully underway. Speed now balances freshness. Stability protects every cluster. Precision continues behind the wheel. Moisture preserves cellular strength.
Rural gives way to industry.
Infrastructure bridges the journey. Destination defines the next stage. Scale replaces simplicity.
Control ensures consistency.
The process officially enters the plant. Every route is planned. Logistics operate in harmony. Temperature control tightens.
Alignment ensures safe transfer.
Motion pauses. Preparation begins.